Hey Python learners! In the last video, we converted numbers into Roman numbers using Python. Today, we are going to build the classic rock paper scissors game, where you face off against the computer in a battle of wits and luck. It's quick, fun, and a great way to practice conditions, user input, and randomness. Let's code and see who wins. So very first thing is to import numpy as np. Then we will write the choices available in a list. So choices is equal to, and then in square bracket we will write rock, paper, scissors, and then square bracket closed. Then we will write the welcome message, that is welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Then we will also print, type your choice, rock, paper, scissors. Or we could write it a better way, like can give space here and we can write rock, paper or scissors. Then we will get the user input. For example, the variable name will be user choice. So user choice will be input. Then we can write your move. And we want it in lowercase so that even if the user enters the first letter as capital or the whole word as capital, then Python will take it in the lowercase and will not be confused by anything and can be compared easily. Now the next thing is to take computer's choice. So computer's choice will be generated randomly, that is np.random.choice from the list we have made, that is choices. Then we will print the computer's choice, so we can write it at computer's choice or we can write I chose computer choice. It is our wish to take the variable name as user choice or computer choice. We can take it as UC or CC as short, but it's fine to take a word that can be understood later, that what variable it was. Then we will write the conditions if user choice is equal to computer choice. Then it's a tie, so we will print it's a tie. Then we will put LF and then we will make certain conditions like user choice is equal to rock and computer choice is equal to scissors. We are just defining the conditions where the user will win. So if user is rock and computer choice is scissors, then user will win. Then user will win when this one is paper and this is rock, or the user will win when this is scissors and this is paper. So this will cut the paper. And then we will just close this a colon sign and then we will print you win. Then we will give another condition if user choice in choices. That is, if user's choice is in the choices. Choices means the list that we created here. That is, if user's choice is one of these three, other than these cases, then it will print you lost. Else, we will put the condition that it should be printed invalid input. Please choose rock, paper, or scissors. So what have we written is, first we have imported the NumPy library, then we had made a list named choices in which we put rock, paper or scissors, that is the choices available to the user as well as the computer. Then we have given the welcome message simply. Then we have taken input from the user and computer has generated a random from the choices, either rock or paper or scissors. And then we have printed what computer has chosen, and then we have printed the result if it's a tie or the user won or user lost. How we have created this is, we just started the if condition and then we said if this user choice is equal to computer choice, then it means that it's a tie. If user choice is one of these and computer choice is these, then it means the user won. And if the user choice is one of rock, paper, scissors, but computer choice is other than these, then the user lost. Otherwise, the input is invalid, that is, the user did not write either of rock, paper, or scissors. Okay, so let us run this program. Let us write paper. So we lost, but it's okay, we can play again. Scissors, again lost. Then let us write scissors again. Then it's a tie. So we can play it as many times as we want. And this is our game of rock, paper, and scissors. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this game, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding!